Kinikilala tuwing buwan ng Mayo sa Canada ang Asian Heritage Month at sa Toronto isinagawa ang taunang gala ng isang grupo kung saan kinilala ang mga miyembro ng komunidad mula sa 17 bansa sa Asia, kabilang po ang ilang mga Pilipino. Kilalanin sila sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Ipinagdiriwang ang Asian Heritage Month tuwing Mayo, oportunidad para kilalanin ang kontribusyon ng mga Asyano sa mundo. Sa Toronto, Sabado ng gabi, isang selebrasyon ang isinagawa para rito, kung saan kinilala rin ang ilang makabuluhang Asyano sa probinsya.
Ang Canadian Multicultural Council Asian Heritage Awards Gala ay para sa mga 17 Asian countries na members nila. Nagseselect sila ng isang outstanding Canadian na nagre-represent sa kanilang community sa karangalan ng community service. So yung mga awardees namin ngayon ay galing sa mga community members, so iba't ibang bansa.
Kabilang sa mga binigyang parangal, ang Pilipinong si BK Jimenez, isang media specialist, author at kilalang miyembro ng komunidad.
It means that I'm a part of an important organization and that it means that I am responsible enough to give back in my own way whatever there is that I can help them with. And I'm so happy with this award.
Binigyan din ng Outstanding Canadian Community Award si Michael Angelo Masangkay, ang president at founder ng Cine Institute.
Knowing a lot of what goes into this and the other awardees, I found that it's really about how you engage your community and what type of impact has led to new and sustainable objectives and mandates and initiatives for our community.
Ang pagkilala sa mga Asyano sa bansa, mahalaga raw lalo na sa panahon ngayon.
We should be embracing our differences and celebrating our differences together and be able to celebrate other people's differences as well. And so to be able to do that in a country like Canada, when so many things are so crazy in the world, allows us to really be fortunate here.
The importance of recognizing the Asian Canadians is to show our fellow Canadians that the Asian Canadians have made big contributions to the community, to the Canadian environment. So both whether it's in entertainment or different types of industry, the Asian Canadians are part of the Canadian community.
Be assured that we will do our best to even give more than what we should for the community and the organization to be better.
Ang grupong Canadian Multicultural Council, Asians in Ontario, ay isang organisasyon na kinakatawan ang halos 20 Asian Canadian associations at communities. Layunan ng council na palakasin ang cultural exchange, mutual respect at pakikiisa ng iba't ibang lahi dito sa Canada. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.